How to remove favorite spotlights on Snapchat. Hey everyone, it's me Jessica from Create, Login and Delete. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, launch the Snapchat app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Snapchat account. Now, once inside this Snapchat, tap on the Bitmoji icon of yours at the top left corner of your screen. Then scroll down and scroll through spotlight content available there. If you have marked the spotlight post, then you will get to see here. All you have to do is tap on the video or the spotlight video. Now tap the heart icon again to unfavorite or remove it from your list of favorites. Or if you have just reposted it, then simply tap on the repost icon available there again. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.